So ganito kami guys mag-receive. Kailangan mabilis. Oh my God! Kailangan mabilis mag-receive ng delivery kasi nakaka-receive tayo ngayon ng almost 100 na luggage. Good morning guys. For today's video, nandito na tayo sa work at ayan na, nag-aantay na si Paquito Diaz. Ayan o, si Paquito Diaz. Oh. Paquito Diaz! How are you, Paquito Diaz? See? Binibidyoan niya ako. Ha? Yeah, Wednesday. I will be morning this week. Then tomorrow I will be off. Tomorrow, I guess, BJ? Yeah. I don't know. I'll check. Okay. Hold on.
Let's go.
So, how are you today? You're fine? So, still looking for a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Okay, just say something. Say something.
Yeah.
I'm looking for a girlfriend.
I'm looking for Philippines. I like Philippines.
Why? Mabuti, mabuti.
Okay.
Kisaye.
Let's go inside.
Kisaye, teki?
Yeah.
Teki, okay, okay. Acha hai.
Chai pia?
Good morning guys. So normally si Paquito Diaz ang nagbubukas ng shop. Kasi lagi silang nauuna dito sa shop. So ito yung mga neighbors natin. Mga sarado pa. Ayan. Makikita mo puro cleaners lang ito. Cleaners. Tapos yung mga staff din na mga pang morning. Ayan. So 30 to 70. Grabe yung discount namin. No? Back to school. So may mga pang school tayo dito. Open sesame.
Yeah.
Open the lights.
Yes, my name is Salim.
He is Mr. Salim, also known as Paquito Diaz ng India. Wait, you know who is Paquito Diaz?
I like Philippine girls.
Oh my God.
I hope you enjoy with Philippine.
He is always asking girlfriend. Panibagong araw, panibagong pakikipagbaka sa buhay. So ito yung stock room namin, no? And today nga pala is meron tayong again deliveries. So check natin later on kung ilang piraso ang marireceive ko. So good morning guys, maayong buntag sa inyong tanan dyan daghan sa Bisaya, especially sa Cebu, sa akong family. Ayan. And marhay na aldaw sa Indogabos to those who are watching my video dyan sa Bicol, especially sa Milaor at mga kamag-anak ko dyan sa Milaor, Mayapayawan, and Goa, Camarines Sur. So ito guys, si Paquito Diaz, yan, magtatapon na siya ng basura. Ayan. Oh my God, hunk! Very big body. What is this? Komedyante yan eh. Bing ka-desperado makahanap ng girlfriend tong ano na to, si Paquito Diaz. Tingnan mo naman kasi yung mukha niya, oh. Oh. Joke-joke lang yan guys, ha. Ano lang, tawag dito, resemblance ba? Pero hindi naman, hindi naman talaga kamukha. So magtatapon kami ng basura ngayon. And then, we have delivery today, right? I don't know exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Thursday. Thursday, Wednesday. Yes, delivery coming. Yeah.
Come tomorrow. Why don't you
Yeah, but I want off because they cancel my off. So basically guys, pagka morning bago dumating yung deliveries namin or a day before dumating yung deliveries namin, nag-a-arrange na kami ng stocks para in case na dumating man yung deliveries natin, meron na tayong space. So kagabi, bago ako umalis, na ano ko na siya, na maximize ko na keep ko na sa taas yung mga stocks. Tapos dito, kaunti na lang din. So nag-aantay na lang tayo ng delivery. Kaya relax muna tayo. Pwede tayong magkape kasi dito sa store libre yung kape guys. Ito yung kagandahan dito sa company namin, no? May mga libreng pantry dito. May gatas, nido, may Milo, kape, asukal. Tas dito, may mga ingkan na gatas dito. Ayan. Tapos ang sandamakmak na mga ganito. Disposable cup. Tas ito yung ibang pantry namin. Oh. Nagkalat yung may tsaa. Tas pag nag-order lang kami, ayan. Order lang yan, oh. Order kami ng mga needs namin. Like yung disposable spoon, sugar, marami, oh. Pantry. So, here we go. Dumating na yung ating delivery. Ito yung delivery invoice. How many pieces? 5 plus 17.
17.
Nothing. Just,
93.
my God. Are you sure?
Yeah, check.
Plus 48 plus 2 plus 5 plus 17. 93.
Space?
It's okay. We can manage. Tell us, maybe this one not all luggage, na?
All luggage.
Ecolak, Belmont, all luggage, right?
Oh, all luggage.
God, man, this is too much.
All luggage, yeah. I see check just now. Full load.
Nabuang na. Ang dami kong delivery, tapos hindi tayo makapag-video kasi full na yung memory ko. Ayan na yung delivery guy namin, no? So, see you later, guys. After nitong ma-arrange namin saka ma-receive, mamaya na lang kasi wala na full na. Mag-delete muna ako. Hey, brother. Good morning, brother. Good morning. Welcome to my vlog. He is our delivery guy from warehouse. Yan. So, ganito kami guys mag-receive. Kailangan mabilis. Kailangan mabilis mag-receive ng delivery kasi nakaka-receive tayo ngayon ng almost 100 na luggage. Almost 100, right? 94 plus. There is another paper. Yeah. Buti na lang, yung namin dito, helper, talagang mabilis. Kaya laking tulong tong helper namin. Mabilis siya maggalaw, oh. See? He can open the box within 2 minutes. Yeah. See? Like this. Oh my God. Oh. Ganito lang dapat. Kabilisan. Wala na, full na ako. Wala nang memory. See you later. This is the finale. Yeah, that's the one we received, the pending one. Yeah. Yeah, 1 school bag and 1 trolley. So magtatapon na si Romy Diaz or Paquito Diaz ng mga karton, empty boxes. Philippine girlfriend daw. Because this guy is very hardworking, guys. Hardworking guy.
Hey, don't know. Time is time.
No time. No, kaliwali. So, tapos na kami mag-receive at nag-arrange na rin ako, nag-check. Kailangan ko i-check 1 by 1 yung mga quantity para wala tayong ma-miss na. Ayun, oh, punong-puno na, oh. So, guys, ayan, oh, pawis. 100 luggage. Yakang-yaka yan. Nandito si Salim, eh. Si Paquito nandito. Masipag yan, oh. So, guys, maraming salamat sa susunod na video uli. So, say bye to my fans.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for you. This is my brother, small
Yes.
brother.
Okay. All right. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and comment and share. God bless you all, guys. Paalam.